Bloody Sabor of Križevci or Bloody Parliament Session or Križevci Bloody Assembly, Croatian, Krvavi Sabor u Križevcima, Krvavi Sabor Križevački, Hungarian, Kőrösi országgyűlés, was an organized killing of the former Croatian Ban Stephen II Lackfi and his followers by King Sigismund in Križevci, Croatia on 27 February 1397. Prelude. After the disastrous Battle of Nicopolis, King Sigismund called for the Saboran city of Križevci and issued a written guarantee, Salus Conductus, stating he would not attempt personal revenge on the opponents or harm them in any way. But he organized the killing of the Croatian Ban Stephen Lackfi and his followers for supporting the opponent King candidate Ladislaus of Naples. The Croatian law dictated that no one could enter the Sabor with arms, so Ban Lackfi and his supporters left their arms in front of the church. Lackfi's supporting troops also remained outside the town. The king's supporters, on the other hand, were already in the church, fully armed. In the turbulent debate that followed, the king's supporters accused Lackfi for treason in the Battle of Nicopolis. Harsh words were used, fights started, and the king's vassals pulled their swords in front of the king, gutted Ban Lackfi, his nephew Stephen III Lackfi, who formerly served as master of the horse, and the supporting nobility. Aftermath. On the news of the Ban's death, the Croatian army rushed to Križevci and the battle with Sigismund's supporters. In an unequal struggle 30 Croats fell before they retreated. Enraged Croatian nobility, led by Stephen II, once again tried to revenge the king, but they were suppressed, and Sigismund used the opportunity with his subjects on March 2 crossed Drava River and fled to Hungary. 2 days later he issued an Akanj, the famous charter by which Sidiakovect, Xactornia, Miamerge and other estates of Stephen Lackfi were donated to his loyal subjects, among the first Herman II, Count of Selj. Bloody Sabor resulted in Sigismund's fear of the revenge of Lackfi's men, new rebellions of the nobles in Croatia and Bosnia, the death of 170 Bosnian nobles who were killed by Sigismund, and selling off Dalmatia to Venice for 100,000 ducats by Ladislaus of Naples. Finally, after 25 years of fighting, Sigismund succeeded in seizing power and was recognized as a king. References. Further reading. Rudolf Horvat, 1924. 47. Krvavi Sabor u Križevcu. Povijest Hrvatske, in Croatian.